Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Instagram story. So for that, first of all, you have to go to your Instagram account, open up your app and go to the story. Go to story and pick any picture that you want to upload with music. So which one? Okay, so I'm going to pick this picture, and over there top third button, sticker button, you have to tap on that button, and over here you can see so many options, location mentioned. So I'm going to tap on that music one. So tap on the music button, and over here you can see so many songs. So you can pick any song that you want to add to your pick. So I'm gonna pick the first one. So tap on that song, and over here you can see. So yeah, this is how you can add music to your Instagram story. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps.